This one's an actual video.
Is it a video? Alright. Knock her head. But guess what? There.
It ain't a video.
I don't give a hoot.
Now you're getting pugs over there. Oh hell, now she's gonna harass me.
Oh. She likes harassing everybody. We'll do it this way.
What are you doing?
Now!
That didn't help worth a damn.
Oh yeah, we'll help.
Well, I'll be able to get that goddamn phone out. Watch, she'll still be able to get a. No, you're gonna smother her. God damn it, Lucy.
Damn!
What I say, quit fucking around and break this goddamn cage. Cage is so fucking broke.